Subscribe my channel for JK. Which company has become India's first space tech unicorn? Answer is Skyroot Aerospace. With whom has India launched a joint EV battery recycling initiative? Answer is European Union. Which Indian has honored with the South Asia Regional title at the Cambridge Dedicated Teacher Awards 2026? Answer is Soma Mandal. Who has been appointed as a non-executive chairman of Vodafone Idea? Answer is Kumar Mangalam Birla. Where have 14 divers set a Guinness World Record by farming the tallest underwater human tower? Answer is Andaman Nicobar. Which Indian state has become the largest producer of marine fish in 2025? Answer is Tamil Nadu. According to the World Steel Association, which country has become the second largest producer of steel? Answer is India. Which non-European country has joined the European political community? Answer is Canada. Who has been awarded the Pulitzer Prize in the Illustrative Reporting and Commentary category for 2026? Answer is R.K. Anand and Suparna Sharma. Adobe has appointed a vice president for the Global Delivery Center. Answer is Manoj Nagpal. Who won the title of the Uber Cup 2026 held in Denmark? Answer is South Korea. Who has assumed charge as India's new ambassador to China? Answer is Vikram K. Doraiswamy. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Prasar Bharati? Answer is Prasoon Joshi. Who won the Women's Open title at the 2026 Madrid Open? Answer is Marta Kostyuk. Where has the largest national flag been hoisted underwater? Answer is Andaman Nicobar. Where is India's first green methanol plant being set up? Answer is Gujarat. Who has become the new chairperson of the NCLT? Answer is Anupinder Singh Grewal. Who has become the first woman full-time member of Niti Aayog from the Northeast? Answer is Dr. Joram Ania. In which country has ISRO initiated a site assessment for the joint Chandrayaan 5 mission? Answer is Japan. Who has assumed charge as a MSME secretary? Answer is Bharat Khera. Who has been appointed as the new deputy governor of the RBI? Answer is Rohit Jain. Where will the world's first nuclear waste vault be established? Answer is Finland. Which Indian scientist has received the 2026 Wheatley Award? Answer is Praveen Sheikh and Barka Subha. For the first time, which country's two astronauts has China selected for its Tiangong space station mission? Answer is Pakistan. Which country has developed the world's first zero carbon emission direct coal fuel cell or coral battery? Answer is China. Which state has become the first in India to have a paperless judiciary? Answer is Sikkim. Which Indian journalists have been honored with the Pulitzer Prize in 2026? Answer is R.K. Anand and Suparna Sharma. Which country has won the Thomas Cup 2026? Answer is China. Who has won the Madrid Open 2026 men's singles title? Answer is Jannik Sinner. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the National Company Law Tribunal? Answer is Anupinder Singh Grewal. Who has been appointed as the new Navy Chief? Answer is Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. Where will the 22nd Table Tennis Championship be held? Answer is Delhi. Which Caribbean country has become the first to adopt UPI? Answer is Trinidad and Tobago. Who has been appointed as a festival director for the 57th edition of the International Film Festival of India? Answer is Ashutosh Gowarikar. Who has taken over the charge of Controller General of Defense Accounts? Answer is which university has launched Asia's first UNESCO chair? Answer is Symbiosis University. Which chief minister has been honored with the Business Reformer of the Year 2025 award? Answer is N. Chandrababu Naidu. Who has become India's first transgender cricket umpire? Answer is R. Ritika Shri. Where has Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated UP's longest expressway? Answer is Hardoi. Who has become the second youngest Grand Master in chess history? Answer is Faustino Oro. In which country has the world's first smart island monitoring system been launched? Answer is Ecuador. Which state government has announced a ban on the display of religious identification symbols on vehicles? Answer is Nagaland. Which country will host the 2026 Asian Weightlifting Championships? Answer is India. Where has India's first hydrogen bus service been launched? Answer is Delhi. Which security force has been awarded the President's Colors? Answer is NDRF. Who has been appointed as the director of the CBI? Answer is Praveen Sood. Who has been appointed as the new governor of the US Central Bank, the Federal Reserve? Answer is Kevin Walsh. Who has been appointed as the President of the Confederation of the Indian Industry? Answer is R. Mukundan. Who has been appointed as India's next ambassador to Oman? Answer is Prashant Pise. Which city hosted the first World Yogasana Championship 2026? Answer is Ahmedabad.